Play with children. Join them in their favorite activities when you can. Talk about what you are doing. When possible, identify things in play that are done in sequence. For example, drawing may mean getting paper, crayons, and choosing colors. Act things out together. Pretend to make the child's favorite food. Prompt them to state the things that need to be done. Help them identify steps and put them in sequence. For example, take out 2 slices of bread, take out peanut butter, take out jelly, take out a knife. Spread the peanut butter on 1 piece of bread. Spread the jelly on the 2nd piece of bread. Use the knife to cut the sandwich in 2. Help children think about numbers. Cut a sandwich in quarters. Tell the child that you will cut the sandwich in 4 parts. Hand them each part, saying, here is the 1st quarter, 2nd quarter, 3rd quarter, 4th quarter. Then count the sandwich pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with children. The youngest talkers can learn to count to 3 and then 5. Toddlers can count to 10 and then more. Kindergarten students can count to 20 and then more. 1st and 2nd graders can count to 100. 2nd graders can learn to skip count by 2, 5s, and then 3s. When counting with children, emphasize that there is a beginning or a first number, and then a number that is the end of the sequence. Anytime you are counting, try to find ways to emphasize how counting has a beginning number, middle numbers, and then an end number. Prompt children to say things that build on what you see around them. For example, if you see a fire truck, begin by prompting children to state that they saw a fire truck. Then add a red fire truck and have the child repeat. Add as many details, one at a time, as you can. Here's an example. Yes, a red fire truck. A big red fire truck. A big red fire truck with a ladder. A big red fire truck with a ladder and fire hoses. Teach children colors, but be careful. We do not all see colors the same, and some see few colors. As the child is ready, point out colors beginning with black, white, red, blue, green, and yellow. As they get older, add other colors like orange, violet, which is more red than blue, and indigo, which is more blue than red, and cyan or aqua. Play I Spy with My Little Eye together. As children learn nouns and letter sounds, use the first letters too. Say things like, I spy with my little eye something beginning with the letter B. Choose things that are easily in sight and that will stay in sight. If you are a passenger in a car with a young child, point out the different cars you see and say each car's color. Challenge the child to count all the blue cars, and then the red cars, the black cars, the white cars, and so forth. Give a child a gift that lasts a lifetime, a love of reading. For more, visit earlyliteracyweb.com.